fọwọ́ sí kí Yorùbá dá dúró gbogbo tẹ̀ wá lọ́rùn ẹ fọwọ́ sí Odùduwà dá dúró ká lè dòmìnira ẹ fọwọ́ sí ìgbà yẹ wá kára tù wá lára ẹ fọwọ́ sí agogo tó lè kókó kó lè dẹ̀rọ̀ ẹ fọwọ́ sí lọ agbẹ́dọ́gbẹ́dọ́ àwa la lọ́rọ̀ àwa la lówó ọmọ Odùduwà ẹ jẹ́ ká dìde fúnra wa ò ká dìde fọ́jọ́ ọ̀la àwọn ọmọ wa ọmọ ẹlẹ́ran tó jẹ gungun ọmọ aláṣọ tí wọ́n wà kíkà ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ̀ dìde
ẹ jẹ́ mi.
kájà fúnlẹ̀ wá kẹrù dòmìnira ẹ fọwọ́ sí kí Yorùbá dá dúró kóńkó kó dẹ̀ wá lọ́rùn ẹ fọwọ́ sí Yorùbá dá dúró ká lè dòmìnira ẹ fọwọ́ sí kí ìgbà yẹ wá kára tù wá lára ẹ fọwọ́ sí agogo tó lè kókó kó lè dẹ̀rọ̀ ẹ fọwọ́ sí ṣùgbọ́n tọmọdé bá tó lọ́kọ ó yẹ kó lọ́kọ ní tọmọdé bá tó lọ́kọ
òkúnnù bàbá ẹ̀yin mo rí láì gba ṣẹ́ńjì lórí prógámù.
Yorùbá ládé máa sùn wá kájùmọ̀ gbé ilẹ̀ wa ní
kájùmọ̀ gbé iṣẹ́ wa ní owó
ẹ jẹ́ ká dìde kájà fómìnira wa Yorùbá ronú ẹ jẹ́ kájà fómìnira wa kí iṣẹ́ lè wà fáwọn ọmọ wa gbogbo kó lè tẹ̀ wá lọ́rùn ẹ fọwọ́ sí kí Yorùbá dá dúró gbogbo tẹ̀ wá lọ́rùn ẹ fọwọ́ sí Odùduwà dá dúró ká lè dòmìnira ẹ fọwọ́ sí ìgbà yẹ wá kára tù wá lára ẹ fọwọ́ sí gbogbo tó lè kókó kó lè dẹ̀rọ̀ ẹ fọwọ́ sí mo pe ẹ̀yin òòṣà ẹ̀ǹdẹ́ Ifá ẹ̀là mímọ́ Ọbàtálá Ọ̀rúnmìlà Odùduwà Ògún Ṣàngó Ọbalúayé Èṣù Yábẹ̀tà Ọlọ́mọ Onílẹ̀ Iyemọja Ọ̀ṣun Ọya Ajé.
Welcome on board.
Aya ọba ọtí ẹdìdẹ àti ṣetán ẹdìdẹ fòmìnira wa.
Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́, ẹ káàbọ̀, ẹ káàsán. It's going to be a quick one. Ní pẹ́ púpọ̀ lórí ètò. A kàn fẹ́ sáré wá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa reputation. A fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ because ó kàn máa ń jẹ́ nǹkan ìyàlẹ́ kò yà mí lẹ́nu lọ títí but mi mọ Yorùbá tí mo lè lò fún ṣe mọ̀ ibi Yorùbá ní ibi téèyàn bá ti ní kó bá ọgbọ́n tó bá bá àgọ́ ń bẹ̀ ó máa ń jẹ́ kàyéfì àbí mi mọ bọ́ yẹn sọ Yorùbá yẹn. So kí ni nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ try láti sọ ká tó wọnú agbami ètò lọ mo kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin mọ́mì mi àtẹ̀yin dájì mi ẹ̀jẹ̀ mi mo rí yín ẹ káàbọ̀ ní pẹ́ púpọ̀ rárá torí pé kí ni nǹkan ṣẹlẹ̀ láyé yìí o ká tó wọnú agbami ètò lọ jẹ́ ká dúpẹ́ kájúbà f'Ẹlẹ́dùmarè ká ṣọpẹ́ fún ọba tó dá wa lénìyàn ọba tó jẹ́ ká wà láyé ká wà láàyè ọba tó fi ayé ṣe àpótí ìtìsẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká gbéga ayérayé Ọlọ́run Ẹlẹ́dùmarè á gbé yín ga ní wákàtí àfọpẹ́ fún yín adúpẹ́ wíwà láyé wa adúpẹ́ dídá tí ẹ dá wa sí adúpẹ́ ṣíṣí wa lójú ẹ̀mí tẹ̀ ń ṣí wa lójú ẹ̀mí adúpẹ́ ọgbọ́n tẹ̀yin Ọlọ́run fi ń fún wa adúpẹ́ gbogbo àṣírí bàbá àṣírí kọ̀kọ̀ tẹ̀yin Ọlọ́run tú tẹ̀ ń jẹ́ kó tú tẹ̀ jẹ́ kí mọ̀tà kó jọlé gbogbo wa lórí Ẹlẹ́dùmarè ìbà yín nítorí pé ẹ̀yin lọ́ba kọ́dá ayé ẹ̀yin lọ́ba aṣẹ̀dá ọ̀run ẹ̀yin ni bàbá ẹ̀yin ni màmá gbogbo ayé agbẹ́yìn ga ní wákàtí àṣeyín lọ́ba adúpẹ́ ààbò yín láti ọjọ́ dé ọjọ́ láti oṣù dé oṣù láti ìgbà dé ìgbà adúpẹ́ fún gbogbo nǹkan tẹ̀yin Ọlọ́run dá tó mí àti tẹ̀yin Ọlọ́run dá tí kò mí adúpẹ́ pé ẹ jẹ́ ká dóko adúpẹ́ pé ìmọ̀ta ìmọ̀ ẹni bí ẹ jẹ́ ó jọ lé wa lórí ẹ mà ṣe o bàbá bá ṣe fẹ́ wọnú agbami ètò lọ mú rẹ́ra mi sílẹ̀ mú béèrè fún àkọ́tún agbára ẹ wá gbẹnu mi sọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀mí tó lòdì sí tẹlẹ́dùmarè tí ò ní jẹ́ kí n ṣèfẹ́ Ẹlẹ́dùmarè mo bá wí ní wákàtí gbogbo àwọn tó ń lọlé tó rásìkò ìlọlé la wà ẹ wá ṣaládé ààbò lórí wọn Ẹlẹ́dùmarè ẹ bá wa ṣọ́ wọn délé mo gbàdúrà yìí ní ipasẹ̀ baba ńlá wa Ọ̀rúnmìlà àṣẹ ẹ káàbọ̀ lọ́kùnrin lóbìnrin gbogbo ẹ̀yin mọ́mì mi mo kí yín o ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò ẹ ṣe gan ni mo náà fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa repetition ṣe rí nígbà tí èmi wà ní kékeré bí ṣe máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ètò yẹn nìyẹn bàbá mi máa sọ wípé ọmọ kan ò lè borúkọ tí mo ti ń build for years I build my legacy with my hard work mo ṣiṣẹ́ kárakára mo ṣe gbàṣàwo so kò sí ọmọ kankan tó lè wá bà mí lórúkọ jẹ́ àbí tó lè drag orúkọ mi into the mud ọmọ tó bá mi try ẹ̀ máa ṣe gbá máa ṣàwo fún ni ẹ̀rù máa bà wá báyìí pé bàbá yìí hot o ẹ ṣọ́ra yín o nígbà yẹn dẹ̀rẹ̀ ọkùnrin la ní tó pọ̀ something happened many years ago àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n mi máa rẹ́rìn sí nígbà yẹn wọ́n ní bóyá mi mọ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ bóyá riot ó dàbí pé gba June 12 ni so wọ́n wá ní àwọn trailer tó máa ń load rice wọ́n wá gbé rice wọ́n wá bóyá wọ́n fi trailer lẹ̀ wọ́n sá lọ then àwọn èèyàn wá ń gbé rice ẹ̀gbọ́n mi bá gbé one bag of rice ó bá rù wálé jẹ́ pariparipa ni bàbá mi bá ṣe báyìí kí lélẹ̀ ń bọ̀ ló ti ń gbé bọ̀ òun ráwọn èèyàn tó ń gbé ni òun ń gbé dádì bá ní ṣé tebi tó ń pa yín tó ń jẹ tẹ́ẹ̀rì jẹ taṣọ tẹ́ẹ̀rì wọ̀ ibi tó ti gbé yẹn wàá gbé débẹ̀ tọ́lọ́pàá bá mú ẹ màá tún ní kán bá mi fi ẹ̀wọ̀n 20 years kún ẹ̀wọ̀n fún ẹ. ìgbà yẹn dẹ̀rẹ̀ àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n mi yẹn ṣẹ̀ jáde class 5 it was during class 5 period ló bá tún rù sórí pẹ̀lẹ́kún ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ìná náà ní kán máa kígbe olè lórí àjúbọ olè àwa délé lálẹ́ tó bá ti di lálẹ́ a máa ń ṣe meeting àwọn meeting wa ní pé àwọn nǹkan tá a bá sọ níbi tá a ti wà yẹn àwọn nǹkan tá a bá gbọ́ àwọn nǹkan tá a bá rí ó gbọ́dọ̀ remain síbi tá a ti sọ tá a ti rí yẹn so wọ́n wá dá ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn lẹ̀ wọ́n ṣàbẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ oríṣiríṣi ọmọ tó bá folè kọ́rọ̀ jọ èrú ló fi kọ́rọ̀ jọ kò lè dalẹ̀ kò lè ṣe gbá kò lè ṣàwo ọmọ tó bá mú ẹlòmíì tó fi bà tèèyàn jẹ́ kò lè ṣe gbá kò lè ṣàwo ṣẹ̀mọ̀ oríṣiríṣiríṣiríṣi bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ káàbọ̀ bàbá wa ẹyẹ tán tó sàn ẹ kújọ́ mẹ́ta bàbá mi Ahmed Akànní mo rí yín ẹ̀jẹ̀ mi bàbá mi ọba àṣọlọ ọlọ́run mo rí ẹ̀yin náà ẹ̀yin màámi tẹ wà lórí ìkànnì ó dàbí pé ó ti fò kọjá so mo rí yín bàbá mi lọ́lá mo rí yín ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò lọ́lá lásùnkànmí so kí ni nǹkan tí mò ń try láti sọ ni pé wọ́n build the legacy àti àwọn orúkọ wọn lórí hard work wọ́n build the reputation wọn lórí iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n ń ṣe wọ́n ṣe lórí ká má bà tèèyàn jẹ́ lórí my big mommy Lizzie welcome on board good evening ma so wọ́n build the legacy he was building his reputation on his hard work wọ́n build the reputation wọn lórí hard work wọ́n protect the reputation wọn yẹn at the same time wọ́n protect the legacy that he has laid down at the same time kí ni nǹkan gangan tá à ń pè ní reputation because gbogbo wa these days tábà ti rí èèyàn kan reputation ẹni ní reputation ẹfẹ nìyẹn jẹ́ kinní kan kí ni iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n ti ṣe what are the jobs that those people have done for them to have that reputation they are carrying. Reputation is the belief that generally held about someone. For example, we've been talking about Awolowo and his reputation and his legacy, how he fought for us to have our independence, how he fought for us and all that he did during his time, during his days. His name has not been forgotten. We have so many people, so many names to mention. It is not based on their political career. It is based on the hard work. It is based on the hard work. And people saw iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n ṣe, iṣẹ́ ribiribi tí wọ́n ṣe. That was why people respected them so much. But lẹ́nu jọ́ mẹ́ta yìí gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tí mo rí ni pé nítorí pé lè jẹ́ politician ó jẹ́ kinní kan ó ti kó gbogbo owó ìlú jẹ ó ní reputation ó ti di celebrity ó ti di kíná tún máa ń pè wọ́n ná ó ti di kinní kan. Where is the hard work? Iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ ọ̀yàn bàbá mi á ní pé àtẹ́lẹ̀ ọwọ́ ọ̀yàn ni kì í tọ̀yàn jẹ iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ ọ̀yàn ló ń gbéyàn débi gíga. ẹlòmíì kò fẹ́ tẹ́ bá béèrè lọ́wọ́ àwọn youth wá sí pé what do you want to become, they will tell you I want to become a politician. Èmi mo dẹ̀ when I was doing my research, it is a part-time job. You are supposed to be in service for humanity, not pé o fẹ́ lọ kówó jẹ. Look at what is happening, for example, ní location 419. Gbogbo àwọn politician tán níbẹ̀, iṣẹ́ kí ni wọ́n ń ṣe? They are all politicians. They don't have any private job. Something happened lẹ́ni, kéèsì kan tí ń lọ ní France ń bí báyìí, former president wa Sarkozy, Zako la máa ń pè, nítorí pé ó gba owó bribery láti fi campaign for election. Nísìn kéèsì has been going on for a very long time, tó yẹ pé wọ́n ní kò lè travel, wọ́n náà jèlè lẹ́ni. The lawyer said he's going to appeal. Wọ́n sọ pé because he was a former president, he doesn't have to face the law. He has been facing that law for a very long time, not in law court concerning that case. But today he admitted pé guilty. But bóyá torí pé ó ti fẹ́nu ẹ̀ admit pé òun guilty yẹn, ọ̀rọ̀ jail term tán fún yẹn, they are going to appeal concerning it. Wọ́n sọ pé kán lọ gbé owó fún judge, wọ́n sọ pé kán lọ gbé owó fún lawyer, wọ́n sọ pé kán lọ gbé kinní kan. I am not saying they don't have their own bots. Everybody ló ní bot títí ẹ̀ lé ayé. But he wants to, reputation kò fẹ́ kó bàjẹ́. The life of the likes of Strauss-Kahn, he admitted and they pay fine. Instead of him going to jail, he settled out of court. And they settled obìnrin yẹn. And it was everywhere, all were published. Kò ń ṣe pé bóyá wọ́n sweep under the corner, order from above. Kò sí order kankan from above. Kí ni reason tí mo ṣe gbé topic yìí wá? Because I've been seeing so many things happening. Sharing reputation is by hard work, not by stealing, not by looting. It is by your hard work. Reputation is a widespread belief that someone has a particular characteristic. Kí ni characteristic yìí o? Ẹni yìí o nínú iṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe o, ó ní characteristic kan téèyàn lè rí as role model, téèyàn lè rí as what is it called? Somebody we can look up to. That is what reputation is all about. Gbogbo àwọn èèyàn wa ní orílẹ̀-èdè Yorùbá, orílẹ̀-èdè káàárọ̀ ajíire, because a kì í ṣe Yorùbá. Káàárọ̀ ajíire ni káàárọ̀ o ṣajíire bí. What are your reputation? Where are the reputation? Where are the legacy your parents built? Téèyàn kan bá ṣe nǹkan kan, ẹ máa lọ wo àwọn èèyàn mi kan lórí Facebook, wọ́n á ní ẹ lọ ṣe background check. Go and do the background check. Kí ni background check wọn? Ẹ wo Jákàndé. We have Jákàndé estate everywhere. Nígbà tí Jákàndé kú, Èkó mọ̀ pé èèyàn kan kú because of his reputation. We have Jákàndé estate. Lábẹ́sàn, we have Jákàndé estate. Òkè-Afá, we have Jákàndé estate all over l'Ékòó. Kí ni nǹkan tí a lè sọ nípa àwọn presidents and past politicians? Kí ni reputation wọn? Báwo ni reputation wọn ṣe rí? Because before you can choose somebody that will want to choose this person as your president, as your governor, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa wo reputation wọn. Because reputation can also mean having being known of having a specific quality. Kí ni qualities tó wà lára wọn tá lè fi sọ pé qualities tí lágbájá ní leléyìí o? Èní wọ́n máa wá sọ pé Adégún o, ọ̀la wá ní Adé yẹn ti yẹ̀ sẹ́gbẹ́ o. Tó bá ti di lọ́túnla, even àwọn tá a pè ní olórí wọn ò tiẹ̀ mọ̀ nípa ara wọn. They don't even know who we really are gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ káàárọ̀ àjíire. They cannot say about our origin. Nítorí pé kí ni a ti gbé àṣà àti ẹ̀sìn wa a ti gbé sẹ́gbẹ́ kan, a wá gbé ẹ̀sìn ẹlẹ́sìn àti àṣà aláṣà a wá gbé sórí. To have a reputation is something that means to be known and be remembered for. We remember Jakande for Jakande Estate. We remember Awolowo for liberating us. Láyé cocoa plantation, where is the cocoa plantation? Rubber plantation, where is the rubber plantation? Nísìn, àwọn Fúlàní Ogun State lásán, on the light please. Ogun State lásán, a mọ oríṣiríṣi nǹkan tí wọ́n tó ń ṣe níbẹ̀. Today, àwọn Fúlàní ti gba gbogbo Ogun State. People that are living in Ogun State wọ́n seek asylum ní Benin Republic, and Ogun State governor ó wà ńbẹ̀. What has he done? General Chancellor. So kí ni reputation tá ń lay down? Mo sọ̀rọ̀ kan fẹ́nìkan, mo ní bí about 4 years ago, 4.5 years ago, tán campaign for election wọ́n náà bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní jí pátá káàkiri. To the extent pé àwọn obìnrin wọn they couldn't put on panties. Ẹ̀rù ń bà everybody nítorí pé even to the extent they will attack people on the road. Wọ́n máa ní kán bọ́ pint wọn, kán bọ́ fún wọn. Ìgbà tí election lọ gbogbo ẹ̀ calm, a gbọ́ story yẹn mọ́. Now kí ni nǹkan tá ń gbọ́ nísìn? We said we want to break out of contraction, we want to break out of bondage, we want to break out of dungeon, we want to break out of suffering, we want to break out of darkness. Nísìn, killer herdsmen everywhere. Fulani herdsmen everywhere. And at the same time, they are campaigning for 2023 election. And now they should win in 2021. And people are being killed daily. People are being massacred. And when you see, well, even 100 naira out there, why important is jẹyàn lọ? The way people are being killed in that country called Nigeria. And the only thing the president could do ni pé people that are agitating, he could name them terrorists. What about the killers, S-men? What about the ISWAP? What about the bandits? If they are being arrested, others will come from the above that they should be released. Now you want to tell me you have a reputation. Calm down. In life, when someone have a reputation, you protect your reputation. And there are importance concerning reputation that determine the importance of reputation is that it determines the social standing of a person in the society. Tó bá jẹ́ wípé president location 419, tó bá jẹ́ pé àwọn European ni, ó máa délé, ó máa resign ni. The death of the children, the death of so many villages are being burnt down, even as at today. Okay, 1 year, kò ṣáà tí kàn yín, kò tí kàn yín. Are we going to keep quiet until it affected us? People are being kidnapped daily. àìmọye àwọn family that they went and used their property, their family property, tí wọ́n fi borrow owó so that they want their family to be released from the hands of the kidnapper. Another thing concerning reputation tí mo learn from this European, òun ni pé if a father is a farmer, mama, from one generation to generation, they are going to keep that farm. They will keep the farm. Till last generation bá ní ọmọ mọ́, wọ́n máa ń fún association so that the association will retain that family name. Kí ni ìdí tí àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ta fi ń ta reputation wa pẹ̀lú we are exchanging our reputation with money. Bẹ́ẹ̀mi ṣe rí nìyẹn. Reputation wa wá jẹ́ nǹkan kan sí kálukú mọ́. I want to be influential. I want to be known. I want to be famous. I want to be this. Where is the hard work? Iṣẹ́ apáyàn, òun ni kò kí ń tọ̀yàn, iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ yàn rádà ni kò kí ń tọ̀yàn jẹ. All you do is to sit down. The money a senator is collecting is more than salary president of this country tí mo wá ń sìn. The question is, iṣẹ́ wo gangan lẹ ń ṣe? Just to go there and discuss. Just to go there. Some people will even go there and sleep. We have photo evidence. Sleeping in the house. House of Senate, House of Assembly, House of Representatives. And all you do is to share money. The only time you are awake and agile is when there is money involved. The country, the country called Location 419, they've been borrowing $6.3 trillion. They've been borrowing. A country borrowing without producing anything. No resources. No infrastructure. Where is the reputation? China is known for China products. German is known for cars. France is known for building aeroplane, Renault car, Peugeot. Mention them. Where is Nigerian products? And people want us to remain when things is not working. There is nothing absolutely working. There is no light, electricity. There is no good road. Look at other African countries. They are now rebuilding their reputation. They are rebuilding their reputation now. They want to compete with the Western world. What is the big deal about these Western people? Because they think about the people first. Thinking about the people first will build the country to be greater. Many family houses have been sold. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò ẹ̀gbọ́n mi Sam Success mo rí yín jàre. Many family house, even to the extent pé the owner of the house, àwọn streets in me, there are so many streets. So the owner of the street, his house has been sold. All in the name of money. Mo ti bèrè rí pé ṣé ẹnìkan lè fi àpò yọ̀ sebẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan. A lot of us will listen to song. Kì í understand orin yẹn. When Babara sang that song, he said, ayé ò bá ti níyì tó, téèyàn bá lè jẹ odindi màálù kan lẹ́ẹ̀kan ṣoṣo. For example, gbogbo àwọn tó pera wọn ní Minister of God yìí. Private jet yìí, ṣó gbé wọn dé heaven ni? I've always been asking that question. A gbé Ọlọ́run àwọn forefathers títí wálẹ̀, àwa lọ gbé Ọlọ́run another country, àwa gbé Ọlọ́run another country to come and help us. And we've been calling the God of Israel. Israel is a country, for crying out loud. Àwọn Israel wọn pe Ọlọ́run Yorùbá, àwọn Israel wọ́n pè Ọlọ́run French God. But Nigeria, most especially Yoruba people, they've been calling the God of Israel for the past 60 years. Ojú Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ ká wà lójú kan. A lot of people believe reputation is by when you have money, when you meet big people. They call them elites. Education is not about education. Iṣẹ́ kí lẹ ṣe fún community. Ó fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ látorí community gangan sìn. Kí ni nǹkan tí ẹ ṣe fún community yín? Níbí báyìí tẹ́ bá ń ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú government, wọ́n máa ń pè wọ́n ní functionnaire. They are called functionnaire because they are working for government. Ó ní prim tó máa ń fún wọn nítorí pé wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ fún government. Ó ní certain prim tó máa ń fi sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́. When you work for government for 6 months, you have right every 6 months. No máa ń fún wọn ní prim yẹn. As a government worker, kò ń ṣe agency worker, because there is difference between working for government and working under agency. So kí wá ni a ti wá ṣe fún community wa? A ní association, mo ti fi ìlú yìí, mo ti fi ṣe example, because nǹkan tí mo bá mọ̀, ibi tí mo bá rí ni mo tún máa sọ. Here we have VIP vagabond in powers. Àwọn gógó lákòtílétà. How many years tí wọ́n ti kọ́ 1004? There are so many houses tó ti ju 1,000 years lọ, tó ti ju 5,000 years lọ nílùú yìí. They will always excuse me, they will always wọ́n máa renovate ni. Ó dàbí máa nǹkan tó wọ́n náà fẹ́ wá sí France. Ó wá bí ẹnìkan pé iṣẹ́ wo ló máa ṣe. Ó ní maintenance. Ó wá ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹni yẹn pé kí ló ń pè ní maintenance. Ó ní maintenance job wà. So máa yẹn wá pè mí pé madam, ẹnìkan mo fẹ́ wá sí àdúgbò yín bẹ̀ yẹn. Mo wá wò pé bóyá mo lè ríṣẹ́ ṣe pé wọ́n sọ pé ṣe maintenance wà. Mo wá rẹ́rìn. Mo wá ní àtọ́ bá mí pé maintenance pé ìlú yìí máa ń maintain nǹkan wọn gan. Ibi construction iṣẹ́ máa ń wà bẹ́ẹ̀. But you have to, be able to communicate and know the type of sharing nínú ìlú yìí. Àwọn ordinary clean, anyway, wọn kì í ṣe ordinary because iṣẹ́ ńlá ni. Àwọn tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ cleaning job, they are being respected. Tó yẹ pé cleaner ni wọ́n o, wọ́n máa ń respect wọn. Wọn kì í fi ojú pa wọ́n rẹ́ pé common kìíní. Àwọn tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ security, they are being respected because iṣẹ́ náà ń ṣe. They are working with their energy and strength, and they see them with a good reputation. Wọ́n ní good reputation. Ẹ lọ wo dossier wọn. Wọ́n máa kọ síbẹ̀ ní this person is working. Nǹkan tó ń pè ní good reputation yẹn renovate. Ẹ ṣe gan ni dádì mi. Maintenance is renovation. Come and renovate àwọn nǹkan wọn. Always. Ẹ wo, for example, look at Otta Road. Today, look at it 8 years ago. Baba Obasanjo was 8 years in presidency. Ẹ wo Otta Road. Ṣé kò yẹ ká máa dọwọ́ bojú pé ìtìjú ńlá lélẹ̀? Ẹ wá expect pé kí Fúlàní kó wá tún ṣe fún yín. Nígbà tẹ́yin fúnra yín ẹ̀ ṣe fúnra yín. Gbogbo àwọn tó wà tó ní kí lorúkọ ẹ̀ lọ́nà yẹn, kí lorúkọ ẹ̀, àwọn tó ń lọ church lọ́nà yẹn, gbogbo owó tó ń gbà lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn kí náà fi ń ṣe. Mo ti sọ̀rọ̀ kan fún yín pé the church recognized here is Catholic church ni. Mo ti sọ pé there is what is called help from the Catholic. Ṣèkú Catholic ni. Àwọn èèyàn máa lọ gbóúnjẹ ń bẹ̀. Ìwọ tó bá ní accommodation problem, tó lè fund the rent kìíní ẹ̀, you will go there for help. ìdí nìyẹn tó yẹ ká fi gbé ẹ̀sìn àjòjì sílẹ̀, tó yẹ ká fi gbé ẹ̀sìn àwọn baba ńlá wa. Kí ni nǹkan tí ó bá tó rọ̀ mọ́? Kí ni nǹkan gangan tí titi wa tó jẹ́? Báwo ni titi ọ̀dọ̀ wa ṣe jẹ́? Because when we are talking about repetition, we have the likes of kí lorúkọ ẹ̀, Ògún, Ṣàngó. I saw a video, ojú dẹ̀ gbà mí tì, ìgbà tó máa wọṣọ fún Ògún, wọn kò sí, ṣèbọn sọ pé Ògún, anything that has to do with iron lògún. Àwọn people yóò wọ armor, wọn ò wọ sára bí Ògún. Wọn fi kí lorúkọ ewé yẹn tó dàbí kí lorúkọ ẹ̀, wọn fi sára. Àwọn ọlọ́ṣun, èmi ò rí Ọ̀ṣun lọ́wọ́ wọn, wọ́n kàn múra, wọ́n wọ pàréèdì. Èṣù ṣebí ó mà ṣe o, wọ́n wá wọ aṣọ dúdú àtàṣọ pupa, wọ́n wọ fésù. Ẹjọ́ ṣé nǹkan tó really represent ni, ṣé repetition wọn gangan nìyẹn? Because ìgbà tí àwọn elders wa tí wọ́n bá ń fi àwọn nǹkan tó jẹ́ pé àwọn deities wa mariwo, God bless you my brother, jẹ̀mí mariwo, mi rí mariwo kàn fi mariwo sára, wọ́n dẹ̀ láwọn gbé kí lorúkọ ẹ̀ síbẹ̀, oríṣiríṣiríṣiríṣiríṣi wọ́n tò gbogbo wọn jọ pé I don't know what they are doing, because I'm not, tí mo ti ẹ̀ ṣe rí bọ́yẹ dress wọn kò kí n ṣe exactly what it is. Àwọn carnival tí wọ́n ṣe ní Brazil, we saw everything. Wọ́n wọ gbogbo nǹkan tó jẹ́ títí wọn. Báwo ni àwọn aráàlú bòmí wọ́n máa ṣe aṣáwájú àwọn oní nǹkan lọ? All because ẹ lọ ń gbowó lókè. Àwọn ẹni wọ́n ti fi reputation wọn sílẹ̀, òun la ṣe lè sọ̀rọ̀ wọn ní dáadáa. Wọ́n ní kíní kan Ọ̀ṣun, jẹ̀mí ẹ rán mi lórí orin yẹn, Ọ̀ṣun ṣe kíní kan kí dókítà ó tó dé. Ó máa ń dùn mí pé mi ò lè ṣàlàyé dáadáa. Ọ̀ṣun ti ń gbọmọ rẹ̀ kí dókítà kó tó dé. Ẹ wá wò nísìn, àwọn ìlú yìí wá rí i pé gbogbo àwọn oògùn tá à ń lò ó ń affect wa. For the past 6 years nínú ìlú yìí náà ti ṣe correction oògùn. Nísìn herbal medicine ló pọ̀ jù tí wọ́n ń ṣe. Nísìn biofood, natural food ni ó kù tí wọ́n ń ṣe. Ìgbà yẹn làwa wá wẹ̀wù artificial, ìgbà yẹn làwa wá wẹ̀wù kí lorúkọ ẹ̀, Operation Feed the Nation. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, ask Obasanjo about Operation Feed the Nation. Okay, gbogbo owó tẹ wá kójọ yẹn, tẹ́ ń kójọ yẹn, people will see them as, mi mọ bí mo ṣe lè ṣàlàyé, ọkàn máa ń dùn mí lọ́kàn. People máa wò pé wọ́n ní reputation. They are not reputable human being. They are not reputable human being. Nítorí pé kí ni àwọn ènìyàn owó wọn ẹ̀ ń fìyà jẹ wọ́n, ẹ̀ ń kó owó wọn. Bàbá mi Adékúnlé Ọ̀rẹ́lájà ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ìṣẹ̀ṣe la gbá gbogbo ẹ̀sìn. Gbogbo nǹkan tó yẹ ká mọ̀, gbogbo nǹkan tó yẹ ká ṣe, tá bá tọ́ bó ṣe yẹ ká tọ́, àárí gbogbo ẹ̀. Tí gbogbo wa bá lọ lẹ́yìn Ifá, how come tó yẹ pé l'Amẹ́ríkà ní yunifásitì wọ́n ń ṣe Ifá course, àwa tá jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá tó yẹ ká kọ́ nínú ilé, àkọ́ nínú ilé? Sometimes I in my own closet, I close door, I cry for nǹkan tí mo ti miss. For example, oògùn diabetes, wọn ò rí original oògùn tó máa cure diabetes, but kíní wà tó máa fi ń suppress ẹ̀. But ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, àgbo wà tẹ́ máa mú téèyàn máa tọ́ diabetes ìdànù. Màámi ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò mà. Another one, oríṣiríṣiríṣiríṣiríṣiríṣi bẹ́ẹ̀. ó dàbí tá bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa fat nsìn pé I want to reduce my fat, I want to reduce my fat. Láti aláyé tó ti di aláyé, òun ni àwọn bàbá wa ti ń ṣe àgúnmu gbogbo nǹkan tó jẹ́ ọ̀rá tá máa lò tá máa wash it out. Láti ìgbà tí I remember when we were very small, a máa mu nǹkan kan every 3 months ni every 3 months every month, but every Saturday a máa bí gbogbo kíní yẹn dànù. Where is our reputation? Kí ni nǹkan tá lè tọ́ka sí pé nǹkan títí wa leléyìí o, nǹkan táwọn bàbá wa build, where níbo la kó gbogbo ẹ̀ sí? Gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n fi ọjọ́ ayé wọn ṣiṣẹ́ fún ní ayé àtijọ́, there is what we call kí náà máa ń pè wọ́n náà, tradomedical herbalist tó dàbí hospital ní ayé àtijọ́. Where is those àwọn bàbá yẹn, àwọn Dr. Lambo, gbogbo àwọn bàbá yẹn, they build us that repetition. ń bọ́ ni gbogbo ẹ̀ wọlé sí. A lot of people believe when you flow with billionaires and millionaires, èmi ò kí rí anybody ní olówó, in as much as you are not feeding others. Ẹ wo àwọn kan nínú ìlú yìí, wọ́n ní owó nínú ìlú yìí débi pé wọ́n máa ń fún ìjọba lówó pé ẹ má okay nísìn nínú news mo gbọ́ pọ́n náà wọ́n máa fi owó kún owó gbogbo èèyàn, gbogbo salary wọ́n increase ẹ̀. Àwọn ènìyàn tó jẹ́ pé àwọn individual, they are supporting government láti build ìlú wọn. Ẹ̀yin máa gbé owó títí yín, ẹ máa gbé wá sí ìlú wọn, wọ́n á máa fowó yín ṣe business. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni bàbá mi ògùn èfù, ògùn lẹ̀ tútù, àgbò lẹ̀ tútù, oríṣiríṣi. They build their reputation on hard work. Àwọn bàbá wa wọ́n ṣe research, they do their research, wọ́n mọ kí lorúkọ ẹ̀ tó máa fúnyàn ní kí lorúkọ ẹ̀ téèyàn tí ó bá vertige tóyì bá ń kọyàn tó ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ òtó kíní kan ordinary pòròpórò ọkà bàbá náà máa ṣe tó máa fún un. Why ìta ṣe ń dara wa láàmú nígbà tó Ọlọ́run ò dá wa láàmú? Everybody now build their reputation on politics, on money, on politics, on money. Fún kíni? Ẹ má bínú, hello. Bonjour. Non, je suis occupée, je ne peux pas parler avec vous parce que en premier, vous parlez trop vite. Le deuxième, je suis occupée. Excusez-moi, vous pouvez me rappeler plus tard. Ẹ má bínú jàre, àwọn aládvàtì yẹn ni. So what am I saying in essence ni pé gbogbo àwọn bàbá yẹn build the reputation wọn on their hard work, not by stealing money. Nísìn gbogbo àwọn ta ní nísìn as a politician, as elders, ẹ máa kíní kan ní lágbájá, kí ni reputation wọn? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi béèrè o, legacy wo ni wọ́n lè? Bàbá mi máa sọ pé the best legacy you can give a child is education. Education in all ramification of life. Kò ṣe pé kó mọ lọ sí school nìkan, kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ ìjìnlẹ̀, mọ bó ṣe ń ṣe. For example, ọmọ ní ká wá nǹkan kan, ká lọ kọ tọ́pìkì kan, ká wá ṣe research lórí ẹ̀ ká gbé wá. Mo rántí gbà yẹn pé ilẹ̀ ni mo mú, mo wá wò pé ilẹ̀ kí náà ń pè nílẹ̀ heart, báwo ló ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀, ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ mo wá lọ bá ẹ máa kọ́ ní English, ẹ tún wá kọ́ ní Yorùbá. Mo wá lọ bá teacher mi ní school pé kó jọ. I was serious as if I want to write an exam. Kí ni reputation tí gbogbo wọn lay down? Àwọn kan sìn tó pera wọn ní èèyàn ńlá. The only thing they could do is to sell Yoruba people by going to Abuja constantly to go and get money. People are being killed every day. People are dying daily. Àwọn èèyàn ò rón jẹjẹ. Ojú gbà mí sí láti rí àwọn èèyàn wa kó máa sá lọ sí Kútọ̀nù. ẹ lè imagine ní àárín 100 days àwọn 353 àbí 553 mi ìrántí mọ́ doctors ni wọ́n gbà ní UK. Ẹ wòye doctor tí wọ́n apply fún Dubai nítorí pé they are not concerned about people. Èèyàn máa rí wọn pé wọ́n wà influential. Kí ló ń jẹ́ influential? You making them to be important. They are not important. Àwa la jẹ́ kó ń ríra wọn, àwa la ń jẹ́ kó ń rí ara wọn bí ìpọ́n wà important. Torí many of them olè ni wọ́n. Látorí local government chairman, látorí councillor. Kí ni councillor? Kí ló ti ṣe sí wọ́ọ̀dẹ̀? Now we said we want to leave this contraction, we want to leave this dungeon, we want to leave this bondage, we want to leave this darkness. Ó wá dogun, kí ló dé tó dogun tó dọdẹ? Reputation wo lẹ as a Nigerian tẹ́ bá gbé green passport lọ sí anywhere, people will look at you. Àwọn olè wọ́n tún ti dé, àwọn 419 wọ́n tún ti dé, àwọn bandits wọ́n tún ti dé. Ó dàbí ọ̀rọ̀ orúkọ ni. Ìgbà tí mo gbọ́ wípé ìtumọ̀ Yorùbá wọ́n ní Yẹ̀ríbà, àwọn Fúlàní kan, àwọn Haúsá àbí àwọn kinní kan náà sọ àwọn Yorùbá ní Yẹ̀ríbà nítorí pé alágàbàgebè ni wọ́n. Mo wá lọ bèrè lọ́wọ́ àwọn bàbá àgbàlagbà. I ask question fún àwọn tó ti dàgbà more than 61 years sí Nàìjíríà jẹ́. Excuse me. Bàbá yẹn wà ní 82 years. Mo wá pè bàbá yẹn pé bàbá ẹjọ́ wọ́n ní pé Yorùbá alágàbàgebè ni wọ́n, pé torí ẹ̀nà ṣe ń pè wọ́n ní Yẹ̀ríbà. Wọ́n ní kí n má dá wọn lóhùn. Ìran Yorùbá jẹ́ ìran tó nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí ìṣòwò nítorí pé wọ́n believe pé iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ wọn òun ni wọ́n máa ń jẹ. Wọ́n ní so tí wọ́n bá gbé ọjà lọ sọ́jà, wọ́n mọ̀ pé ọjà yìí o 20 naira ni, wọ́n wá gbé sí 50 naira. Ẹ wá máa ná lórí wọn, tó bá ti dé orí 20 naira ẹ wọ́n wá dúró. Wọ́n ní ìdí nìyẹn tó ń ṣe ń pè wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀, pé wọ́n mọ̀ pé 20 naira làwọn ń ta o. Àwọn míì wọ́n lè ra 30 naira, ó wù wọ́n kàn rà ni. Ẹlòmíì lè ra 50 naira, ó wù wọ́n kàn rà, ó pè wọ́n ni. Ẹ wá wo good reputation tán ní pé they know how to negotiate, they are negotiators. Ẹ wá ń pe negotiators ní alágàbàgebè. Ẹ jọ ṣó jọra wọn? Kò jọra wọn. Why are we allowing strangers láti máa bà reputation wọn ìran Yorùbá jẹ́? Àwọn common stranger, àwọn ààrẹ lásán ni wọ́n wá ń bà àwọn reputation ìran Yorùbá jẹ́. A lot of people, because they want to have a reputation, wọ́n máa wá struggle, wọ́n fẹ́ join politician, wọ́n fẹ́ join ní club oríṣiríṣi, wọ́n fẹ́ join àwọn influential people. Ẹlòmíì torí pé he wants to be, he wants to have a reputation, ó lọ become pastor. Gbogbo àwọn nǹkan yẹn kọ́ ló máa ra reputation fún yàn. Iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ èèyàn òun ló máa ń sọ orú èèyàn téèyàn jẹ́. Many of them, they are supposed to be acting with integrity, because if you want to get a reputation, you act with integrity. A ti sọ̀rọ̀ lórí integrity lórí ètò yìí. Ẹjọ́ ń bọ̀ ní integrity gbogbo àwọn bá wá wà. Ẹjọ́ ń bọ̀ ní integrity gbogbo àwọn politicians wá wà. Where is their integrity? Téèyàn kan máa sọ fún mi pé they are reputable people. Màmá aláta ẹgbẹ́ ilé wa ó wà reputable jù wọ́n lọ. Ọmọ Yorùbá ni mí tọkàntọkàn. I am proud of my nation. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o. Another thing ni you have to be consistent. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá wa wò wọ́n. Ẹni àwọn náà ń ṣe PDP, ọ̀la àwọn náà ń ṣe APC o. The same set of people, the same group of people. Àwọn ni tó bá di lọ́la wọ́n á ní Yorùbá nation la support o. Tó bá dọ̀tún la wọ́n á sọ fún yín pé no kí lorúkọ ẹ̀? Baba restructuring, wọ́n ní restructuring làwọn stand for. They are not consistent, so wọ́n ní reputation. Another thing ni kẹ́ máa consider body language wọn. Kí ni body language gbogbo wọn? People are dying every day. Kí ni body language wọn? Mo máa ń bèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀jẹ̀ mi, máa ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ mi ń bọ̀ làwọn èèyàn ti ń rí strength yìí. àìmọye àwọn fídíò tó yẹ pé èmi máa wò báyìí mo máa ń go down ni pé ha ìwọ Ọlọ́run. Màámi kan sẹ́ndí fídíò kan sí mi láàárọ̀ ẹ̀, in fact mi ò lè show ẹ̀. Mo kàn ń wo ara mi báyìí, mo kàn ń wo picture woman náà ni because bóyá lady or woman wọ́n là báyìí láti àyà báyìí dé ojú ara ni, mo kàn ń wo báyìí. Another thing, when you want to get a reputation, you will do what you say you will do. You will not make a promise and now fail that promise. So wọn ò ní gbogbo wọn ò ní reputation. Gbogbo manifesto wọn, when we go back to our drawing board, gbogbo manifesto tí wọ́n sọ, ẹjọ́ ṣé wọ́n ṣe kankan nú ẹ̀. So àwa wò pé wọ́n ní reputation. When you want to get a reputation, you will go out of your way to help others. Look at the way Nigerians, èmi ò kàn tí ẹ kàn mí pẹ̀lú Nigeria mọ́. Ẹ wo bí àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá bí wọ́n ṣe ń sọ́nà ní káàkiri. Àwọn ènìyàn kan wà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá yẹn, wọ́n ní mọ́tò 27 nínú ọgbà wọn. Àwọn ẹlòmíì odindi yàrá kan ni wọ́n fi to owó sí. Ẹ dẹ̀ wo bí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá yẹn ṣe rí. Ẹ dẹ̀ wá sọ fún mi pé you are a reputable people. Lọ́nà wo lẹ fi wà reputable? Meanwhile, owó ìlú ni gbogbo yín kó. Many of you ló ní refinery níta o. Àwọn kan wà tó ní refinery ní Mali. Ẹjọ́ refinery tọlọkọ sí Mali yẹn, ọmọ Yorùbá wo ló ń benefit nínú ẹ̀ nílùú Mali? Thank you, mami. Àwọn kan wà tó ní industry nílùú bòmí. Ẹjọ́ ọmọ Yorùbá mélòó ló ń benefit nínú ẹ̀? Àwọn ẹlòmíì wọ́n ní kí lorúkọ ẹ̀ shopping mall ní Qatar. Ọmọ Yorùbá mélòó ló ń benefit nínú ẹ̀? Àwọn nǹkan tó yẹ kẹ́ ṣe sínú ilé yín ẹ wá lọ ń ṣe fún aráàta, ẹ tún wá ń jẹ́ káwọn aráàta máa benefit nínú ẹ̀ lórí owó aráàlú tẹ́ ẹ jí. Ẹ wá sọ pé ẹ wà reputable. You are not reputable. Another thing tí èèyàn máa fi ń get repetition òun ni pé you go a step beyond. Irú step beyond tí gbogbo wa ti ń gbé sìn pé we want to come out of that contraction. Nothing is working. Absolutely nothing is working. We will make it work. We will make it work. We can do it. We can make it. Ara nǹkan tá à ń pè ní repetition nìyẹn. Kò ṣe pé èèyàn kan máa jókòó máa ní ẹ̀dáwó. You use your own money. Because there are so many stories about ọ̀rọ̀ olówódé tí kò kàn mí. Another thing ni pé there are factors that influence repetition. Kí ni gbogbo àwọn factors yẹn? Listening and directly present. Ṣé máa ń gbọ́ràn sí àwọn aráàlú lẹ́nu? Bàbá mi Adékúnlé Adépọ̀jù mo rí yẹn káàbọ̀ sórí ètò. Ẹ gbọ́ràn sáráàlú lẹ́nu. Táwọn aráàlú bá tún jáde tó fẹ́ ẹ̀hónú wọn hàn, ẹ máa pa wọ́n nípa fọnáfọnṣu. Àwọn ọmọ jáde ní last year, wọ́n ní àfẹ́ bẹ́ ṣe ń brutalize wa mọ́. Ẹ má máa ṣèṣekúṣe pẹ̀lú wa mọ́. Wọ́n pa over 100 youths. Àwọn tó lọ láti ìlú òyìnbó pé mo fẹ́ lọ sọ́pọ́ọ̀tì àwọn èèyàn mi, ẹ pa wọ́n dànù. Àwọn kan tún jáde o, lẹ́yìn ìyẹn o, ẹ mú wọn kó wọn dà sẹ́wọ̀n. Wọ́n ò pààyàn, wọ́n ti ṣe rálì wọn bọ̀ jẹ́jẹ́jẹ́jẹ́. Where is the repetition? Gbà tó di pé wọ́n dẹ́kọ̀, òun lẹ mú wọn lẹ kó gbogbo wọn sẹ́wọ̀n. Ẹ fi ẹ̀sùn apànìyàn kàn wọ́n. Àmọ́ thank God for social media tó ń expose yín lójoojúmọ́. Ẹ ní listening here. You don't know how to listen to your people. Ordinary common man on the street tó bá ṣe fídíò tó bá presidency republic la máa ń pè republic wí. Tó bá republic wí, táwọn èèyàn bá listen, wọ́n máa gbé wá sórí news. Look at what this person said. Kí ni opinion àwọn politician concerning it? They will debate on it. nítorí pé wọ́n ní reputation tó dáa. ṣebí èèyàn kan ló jáde ló bú president wa pé kò bímọ, ó fẹ́ pa gbogbo ọmọ, ó ní kán lọ gba vaccine kìnnìkan wọn ò torí arrest ẹ̀, opinion ẹ̀ ni. president dẹ̀ jáde pé tíyín ni mò ń ṣe o, àìsàn yìí kò lè lọ láàrin ọdún 5 o, ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe kí ni ká protect ara wa, nítorí pé ó nífẹ̀ẹ́ aráàlú ni, ó dẹ̀ fẹ́ ní good reputation fúnra ẹ̀. ó débẹ̀ ó ní sálárì tẹ̀ ń fún tí mo máa gbà yóò ti pọ̀ jù fún mi, ẹ bá mi gé kúò. kò sọ pé kó fi kún sálárì ẹ̀, ó ní sálárì yẹn gangan ó ti pọ̀ jù, ẹ gé kúò. He is a reputable man. Another thing ni social media presence. Nísìn Nigerian broadcasting ó ní àwọn news tán lè gbé jáde, kò ń ṣe gbogbo news náà lè gbé jáde mọ́, but àṣírí tí ó bò, àṣírí tọ́lọ́run ò bò kò sẹ́ni tó lè bò. Now there is regret everywhere, there is struggling, running up and down. Àwọn ò gbà ó, tó bá ti sọ pé open grazing níbo lẹ ti rí, níbi tí gbogbo ìlú ti là, even àwọn African country wọ́n ti ń ṣe kí lorúkọ ẹ̀, wọ́n ti ní ranches fún gbogbo àwọn màálù wọn, wọ́n ti ń ṣe even ó mà ṣe o. kò máa dá kí ìran tó ní ọgbọ́n, ìran tó kàwé, ìran aládé kó máa bá ìran ẹranko ṣe papọ̀. ìdí nìyẹn tí a fi lè dúró pẹ̀lú wọn, because we are two different people. We are two different people. ìran Yorùbá ìran aládé ni, ìran ọmọlúàbí. ẹ gbọ́ báyẹn sọ, wọ́n ní ìran ọmọlúwàbí, ìran káàárọ̀ ajíire. kẹ wá lọ máa bá ìran àwọn màálù, ṣé dandan ni ká jẹran ni? ṣèbó ní ẹran táwọn bàbá wa ṣe tó rí àtàǹjẹ tẹ́lẹ̀, kí ló dé tá jẹ́ kó máa fi àwọn ọgbọ́n àrékèrèkè kó máa fi tẹ reputation àwọn bàbá wa mọ́lẹ̀? ọmọ káàárọ̀ àjíire ni wá, ọmọlúwàbí ni wá, ọmọ Oòduà ni wá. nísìn wọ́n gbé orúkọ àgàbàǹgebè fún wa, gbogbo wa tẹ́wọ́ gbà. why tó fi jẹ́ pé òun kún àjòjì ló máa ń hun àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá? Where is our forefathers' reputation? Another factor òun ni pé life experience. kí ni nǹkan tí gbogbo wa ti experience in life? ẹlòmíì kò kí ń ṣe politician, ó kàn jáde bí activist lọ́jọ́ kan, wọ́n dẹ̀ fi ipò àtowó lọ, ó dẹ̀ gbà, ó ti wà influential nìyẹn. òun náà débẹ̀, ó ti gbàgbé ìyà tóun jẹ. ó dàbí bọ̀bọ́ tó máa ń fi irin bẹ́ẹ̀dì sùn gbà yẹn, tán gbé fọ́tò ẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀ bọ́sítà yẹn. nísìnyí òun náà ti di big boy o, politician o, ó ti ní oríṣiríṣi Ferrari rẹpẹtẹ, but ó ti gbàgbé the place he came from. ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi, people should go back to where he came from. kó lọ wo àdúgbò bẹ̀, kó lọ wo the people from that street. Why are we so concerned about ourselves? Me. Why not others? ó dàbí ẹnìkan tó ń bá mi wípé tẹbí ló ń gbọ́, ẹbí mi ló important sí mi. ìwọ tó ní mò ń gbọ́ ẹbí, ṣèbọ́rẹ́ mi ló jẹ́, ṣé mi gbọ́ tiẹ̀ náà ni? ọ̀rọ̀ dí wo mi wù ẹ́, ọ̀rọ̀ dí hùn. So reputation wa ó wà very important, and it is built on hard work, and èèyàn máa ń get here through integrity, through consistency èèyàn, through body language èèyàn. àwọn ẹlòmíín sì ìtajọ́ ń pariwo Yorùbá ọmọ káàárọ̀ àjíire, we want to go out of this contraction, we want to go out of dungeon. àwọn gangan ni wọ́n ń ta àwa, àwọn gangan náà give out our information. So many things we need to consider. ó pọ̀. Number 1, physical factors. ẹ wo ẹ máa rí ẹlòmíì nílùú yìí tó bá, mo ní ẹnìkan wà nínú ìlú yìí tó ti dé nínú ìlú yìí láti 2018. I'm not going to mention name. owó tí ó ń gbà lóṣù ó ju sálárì professor lọ, Kò dẹ̀ níwèé nínú ìlú yìí. The problem of mindset, thank you, mommy, is part of it too. Because of the religious, everybody believe in prayer. You have a stomach ulcer. You are talking about praying. What you are supposed to treat, you are praying concerning it. And all these preachers, they are not going to tell them the truth. One of them that was being poisoned, they took him out abroad to go and operate him. He did not pray for himself. Sometimes I feel pained because people are being lied to. People are being manipulated. Finally, because I want to go, I said I'm not going to take much of our time today. Reputation is not based on leadership. Reputation is not based on how much money you have. Reputation is based on your handwork, your characteristic, your quality as a human being. What are you giving to the public? What are you selling to the public? What are you encouraging the public to do? Oh, it is very important. Our youth are there. Many of them are in the prison. They all need orientation. Don't stop preaching religious. Religious can never save. For the past 61 years, what? For the past 61 years that they've been praying, why is that country greater than America? The only prayer American pray is God bless America, and they go on. The only prayer they pray in France, merci Dieu, merci. Many of them doesn't even know about this God you called. How can somebody, a Yoruba person, will be calling God of Israel, while the Israelites, they are not calling your own God, your Omoluabi God? Let us wake up from our slumber. Let us open each other's eyes. Ogun did a great job. Ogun was the person that crafted gun. Ogun is all about anything machineries. Ogun ni ó kọ́kọ́ ṣe ìbọn. Ogun, somebody should, we should wake up. Somebody should tell these people the truth. Shango is about fire and thunder. We've been calling send down fire. We've not seen any fire for the past how many years? Let us change our mentality. Let us try new things. Let us go back to our home. Number one that I will talk about is our herbal medicine. Let us go back to it. Now, the Westerners, they are now doing everything herbal. God of Orunmila, God of Shango. People don't like the truth. Mommy, I know they don't like the truth, but I will tell them the truth. So that I can wash my hands that I told them. People are dying daily. People are being killed. People are being kidnapped. There is a man that called me that the brother was kidnapped and the kidnappers are asking for 20 million naira. If they sold their family house, nobody will buy that family house up to 10 million naira. So how would they get that 20 million naira? If that kind of a family have 20 million naira, they will not be in the condition they are. Now we should be telling ourselves the truth. There is one thing I appreciated most here in France. When their kings and their elders were living luxury life, the same thing that is happening presently, but in location 419, they did what? They now increase. For example, the way they increase gas now, that people are now struggling to get gas to cook in location 419. They did not increase their gas, they increased bread. That their baguette bread, the long bread. People came out on the streets. The whole country came out on the streets. And that was how the revolution started. It was a lady of 19 years old. All their king's crown, their jewelries, because the wife of the kings and the elders, they love jewelries. They kept everything in all the churches here. It is called cathedral in France. You will go out, the clothes they are wearing, their police, everything. You pay money to go and watch those things because you just want to see it. You want to know about the story. You will pay to see those things. They kept those repetition. They will tell you the former king, this is how they were living their life, and they don't lie about it. Look at our own story. They lied about our story. They manipulate Ọmọlúàbí story. Ọmọ Káàárọ̀ Oòjíire history is being removed for us not to know our history. We need to build a good reputation for ourselves. When we do that, we are doing it for not only for ourselves, for our unborn generation. People are talking about how Awolowo did this, Awolowo did that. Many more. They mentioned their names. Even the traitor in Yoruba land are being mentioned today. What do you want them to mention your name for? When are you going to stop being an enemy within the circle? Ọmọlúàbí circle. When are you going to stop being an enemy? An enemy within. Collecting information, giving it to the enemies. When are you going to stop being two-faced? If they have one Nigerian, if they have restructuring, I'm there. If it is Yoruba nation, I'm there. When will you be yourself? When will you be straightforward? Look at the stage we are today. Did we want to continue such way? Reputation is among the most treasured and powerful assets. All those private jets, they are not powerful assets. All those your mansions are not powerful assets. Reputation is among the most treasured, most treasured and powerful assets. Grandchildren of Awolowo, when they say I am a grandson of Awolowo, people will look back. The children of Awolowo, people, the respect of their father transferred to them. Let us all build good reputation for ourselves. Don't sell your brother, your sister because of money. Stop the act of selling out information for the enemies to be killing your people. Enough of shedding innocent blood. A good reputation lasts forever. Thank you very much. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for giving me your time. Time is money, and I do really appreciate it. God bless you all. Bye for now. Bye. Remember, reputation is among the most treasured and powerful assets. Bye.